I hope y'all doing pretty fitting up there pretty good. I'm just gonna show real quick how I got my LEDs on my 64, my LED lights. Did this video by request. Somebody wanted to see how I have my lights hooked up to it. So this video ain't gonna be long. It's not that hard. So I'm just gonna go through it and show how I have them installed, or how can you get them installed and do other work with them, or having different installation on them, put them on different spots. So let's get on it. So let's just start right here. That's how I have mine. Put the one on the top, going from the front all the way to the back. Well, not all the way, but you can't see it through right here. Kind of cut it. Yeah, it was a little bit longer, but I kind of cut it. And on the bottom the same way. Now this strips comes in a pair, like two. I got them from Amazon. They also come. They also have double-sided tape, so you don't need no glue or nothing like that. Just take off that sticky tape and just put them on, and that's it. Okay, this is how I have them. I'm gonna show you what you can do with them in a little bit. Let me just show you first. So if you see, I run them in through here. They go. From the inside, also on the other side. So they're gonna come hooked up already to these two leads or wires. One is from one side, from one strip, and the other one is for the other one. If not, it don't come hooked up already. All you know is that it comes with this little adapter. One strip light is gonna go to one connection, and the other one to the other connection. Now, all you gotta do is just, let's see if I can get it with one hand. There's only one. See, it's a split, it's a Y. So you got two strip lights hooked up, right? You just make sure you have the right position of the connector. So make sure you have the brown, the red, and the yellow. So all you gotta do is, like mine, I have it on the top because I got all the spaces on the bottom already. I'm already using all of them. I think most of them. I got one left over, I think. No, yeah, I think I do. I'm not sure. But anyways, I got mine on top. It's real easy. Just hook it up, snap that in, and there you go. And just turn in the car, and it will turn on. Like I said, just remember, you used to have the way you see it here. You're just gonna have brown, the red, and the yellow. So now I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna let you know something what you can do if you want to have them installed on a different way. Like the way I have is real easy. Like I said, you just put them on. Just about either plug and play, you know. But if you want to go more detail on it with them, if you want to have like a little, let's say like a little strip here, and then kind of skip and have another strip here or in the back, or here on the side, or let's say you want to have some in the center or somewhere else, or even inside, so it lights up inside. Now what you can do is these are the lights, and this you can cut them right here, and you won't damage them or nothing, like I did on the back. See, now let's say here you want to have a piece through here, right? Ended up there. So what you want to do is just cut it right here, and then you will have that piece, and the rest of the piece, the strip, you will have left over. Now you can leave it all along, or you can cut a piece. Now measure first where you want to have that piece. Either you want to have it, I don't know, far away from here. Let's say you have this piece already, this is nothing. Measure the length of where you're gonna install the other piece. You can be in the fender wheel, or all the way in the back, or you know, you can go around and have it here on this side, because you can do the same on the bottom. So what you want to do is get 2 wires, positive and negative, you already know, black and red. What you want to do is just get 1 wire, solder here, the tip of it, and the other one here, and the ends of the wires. You can do the same with any other piece that you have left over. Let's say you're gonna start here, so you're gonna run wires through here, and then you're gonna solder also this right here on this too, the black wire and the red wire, so that you have a connection. Then if you want to still run, let's say add this piece and still have another piece, but not here, you can run wire all the way around until you decide what part where you want to install the other part of it, of the LED strip. Or like I said, you can run more wire, go around it, or this way, go somehow like have it over here, or go in this, have it in the center, I don't know, here, I mean anywhere. Like I said, even inside, it's just a matter of running a wire in the strip, solder that whatever you cut it, the ends and the beginning of the other strip. And that's pretty much, I mean, it's not hard or nothing at all. Now if you're running wires, there's a lot of ways. I mean, it's not thick as wires, you know, so you ain't gonna really notice this, or nobody's gonna notice this. You don't really have to drill and hide them from the inside. I mean, it just, like I said, it's just gonna run 2 little small thin wires. You can just put some double-sided tape, a little piece of it, so you know it will stick, and then run it and put your LEDs, because like I said, they already come with a double-sided tape. So you just put it on, and then like I said, run more wires and put another piece. I guess, well, you can run more wires from this piece all the way around, or keep going if you want to have them in the center. And would you cut it? I mean, that's about it, you know. That's all you gotta do. Now, like I said, you can also have from another piece, let's say from here, or you add another strip, let's say right here. Then from here you can run a wire all the way through here, put it through the inside right here, and then have another piece inside. That way it can light up the inside of the car. And this, like I said, that's pretty much it. That's all it is to it. It's not that hard, you know. So well, it was a request, and there you go. We have the video. Gonna show you, you know, through it, or what can you do, how can you do it, and main things you can do with it. So I'm gonna color it. I'm gonna color the end for now. I have some happy holidays. Yeah, be careful up there. You know, the weather is just sucks. It's real crazy as I guess though we're gonna be stuck at Pat's for this weekend since the weather's it's real bad. Motherfuckers fucked everything up. But anyways, yeah, y'all be safe up there. Happy holidays for everybody, for the families, and till the next time, I'll watch you later.